Roman, what are you doing? Hey, you hanging out? Yeah, come on, step up. Come on. Good girl. Oh, you're so beautiful. Yeah. Hanging in the bouncy. This is Roman. She's our cockatiel. I love her. And this is Opie. Hi. And then this is our living room. It's in, it's getting switched all around right now. Torn right up. Bunch of work's going on. Putting in a couple plant shelves here for the winter. Don't mind the mess. Just starting to bring everything in. This is gonna go. Have some more countertop like this. Roman, what are you doing, baby? Come on. Yeah. Hi, pretty girl. Oh, you're so beautiful. You gonna hang out? Good girl. Have a great day, everybody. Life is so good.